How to negotiate car price at a dealership in 2025. Step-by-step guide. Walking into a dealership can feel intimidating. The sales team has years of training, scripts, and tricks designed to get the most money out of your pocket. But here's the truth. If you know how to negotiate, you can flip the script and save thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll break down step by step how to negotiate car price at a dealership in 2025. Follow these tips and you'll never get ripped off again. Step 1. Do your homework. Negotiation doesn't start at the dealership, it starts at home. Dealers count on buyers walking in blind. Don't be that buyer. Use Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, Car Edge, or auction sites to find the fair market value of the car you want. Print the numbers, screenshot the pages, and bring them with you. When you show you've done your homework, the dealer knows you're serious and they'll treat you differently. Step 2. Separate the transactions. Dealers love to mix everything together: trade-in value, financing, fees, and the car price itself. That's how they confuse you into thinking you got a deal, when really they just shuffle numbers. Here's the fix. Negotiate the price of the car first. Only after that is settled should you bring up your trade-in or financing. Keep each part of the deal separate so you can see exactly what you're paying. Step 3. Start lower than you expect. Never open with your target price. If the car is listed for $20,000 and your goal is $18,000, start at $17,000. This gives you room to move up while still landing near your number. Salespeople expect you to come up, so build that cushion into your opening offer. Step 4. Control the monthly payment trap. One of the most common tricks is focusing on monthly payments. The dealer stretches the loan from 60 to 84 months, and suddenly the payment looks affordable. But you've just added thousands of dollars in interest. Here's the line you need to use. I only want to talk about the out-the-door price. That one sentence can save you from the payment trap every single time. Step 5. Use silence and patience. Negotiation isn't just about numbers, it's about psychology. After you make your offer, stop talking. Silence is uncomfortable, and most salespeople will feel the need to fill it. Often, they'll counter closer to your number just to keep the conversation moving. Patience is power in the dealership. Step 6. Be ready to walk away. The strongest negotiating tool you have is your willingness to leave. If the numbers don't work, thank them for their time and walk. Dealers know that once you're out the door, they may lose the sale. 9 times out of 10, you'll get a phone call within 24 hours offering a better deal. Step 7. Timing is everything. Not all days are equal. Dealers have quotas at the end of the month and especially at the end of the quarter. That's when managers are more willing to cut prices just to hit their targets. Rainy days, slow weekdays, or Sunday evenings can also give you leverage. Timing your visit can save you just as much as your words. Step 8. Watch out for add-ons. Even if you win on price, the finance office is waiting with add-ons. Extended warranties, tire protection, paint sealant, nitrogen in the tires. These extras can add $2,000 or more to your deal. Here's the move. Politely decline everything unless it's something you truly want. Most of it is pure profit for the dealer and offers little real value. Step 9. Get it in writing. Verbal agreements mean nothing at a dealership. You might think you negotiated a price, but unless it's written on the buyer's order, it doesn't count. Before you sign, read every line. Make sure the numbers match exactly what you agreed to. If they don't, stop and make them fix it. Don't be rushed at this stage. This is where many buyers lose. Step 10. Stay calm and professional. Negotiation can feel stressful, but the calmer you are, the more control you'll have. Don't argue, don't get emotional, and don't lose your temper. Be polite, firm, and confident. A professional tone makes you harder to push around and easier to respect. Negotiating a car deal doesn't have to be scary. Do your research, keep the numbers separate, control the conversation, and don't be afraid to walk. Dealers count on buyers being unprepared. Now, you're not one of them. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe to Bidding for Autos, where we share the insider tips, dealer tricks, and auction secrets that save you money. Don't let the market rip you off. Get informed with Bidding for Autos.